So let's talk about this. This is a hard book cover that I gutted and primed. Then I used modeling paste through a stencil that I created myself to make the waves. Then I did blue mixed media, which would be distress inks and sprays. And then I tipped the waves with white embossing powder. Now I'm taking a mermaid that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm painting her black. I am going to use her as the centerpiece to my journal once I lay her up. And so I'm going to be doing several different things through the course of this cover, but I just wanted you to understand how I got from the base of it to where I am now. Enjoy. Here's the final product. I want to thank you ladies for watching my little video about how I did some of the parts of my journal cover here. It was a creation that I made almost 4 years ago, and it was one of my favorite journal covers that I created. I used my digital mermaid moods inside of it. It sold quickly, of course. I didn't charge a lot for it, and so it was one of my beginning works, and I was just testing my boundaries to see where I could go. And so I want you guys to know, test your boundaries, get out of your boxes, and push yourselves. You never know what you can create. Thank you. I'm glad that you watched and hung out with me. Have a great day.